Unity. The engine for most of the world's weird and wonderful games. Games like A Good Husband, where you're just a mighty good husband for your wife.
Shoot her! Shoot her!
Unity is for games such as Yandere Simulator, a game that has not caused a smidge of controversy for any of its problems. Am I right? Nevertheless, Unity's been around for a high and mighty 20 years now, and I thought it'd be a lovely time to track down the earliest copy I could use on Windows. Now, I did my best to run 1.0 on the Mac via VirtualBox, but it was either just not starting or just crashing, so we're kinda just stuck with 2.5 for now. Nevertheless, enjoy the shit show that is Unity 2, and some other neat doodads that I tried to do.
You have to thank the Lord and Savior Windows for actually letting me do that shit. What the fuck? Oh Christ, on a bike, this is not good. None of my C# knowledge can actually come to any fucking aid. Like, oh no. I can't move the hierarchy or the inspector or the project because if I move any of those, but I can fucking move the console. If I try and move these guys, it crashes in an instant. There is no waiting. It just goes. Oh, fucking Christ. Alright. Public game objects. Hammer. Goal cam. The game object could not be found. Do I have to have it in caps? Because I remember yeah, I remember somewhere else I could just do it like that. That's fine. Uh, Goal cam dot set active true. Please. Oh no. Oh please, please. No! No! Shit, I can't even trust this. This is all in fucking JavaScript. Using C sharp. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. There's nothing here. Oh, there is a coroutine, so I can do coroutines now. Well, that's good. So, I'm gonna have to cobble all the C sharp together. Like anything I can find in C sharp, and I've got to cobble it all together to, like, do something. Because, like, I don't understand this, man. Like, why can't we just have C sharp as the predominant? I get this was originally Mac OS. It's so adorable, isn't it? It's so fucking adorable, and this fucking sucks. Recursively. Sets the active state of this and all game objects children to state. I'm just gonna go set active recursively. Set active recursively. True. Okay, there we go. So we just have to go set active recursively. It's so useless, but it'll do the trick. Oh yeah, I got rid of the box. I also didn't put the fucking camera on. So it doesn't know what to do, so it just stops. Alright, so it's right in front of us. Where is it? Where is he? His trigger. Do we have to make it a little bit bigger? Yeah, there is no, like, you can scale up in, like, all directions except for here. Why? Please, for the love of God, just work. I need this to work. Okay, so it's now looking for the tag, and then we'll destroy him. Correct? Please, 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 please. No! Come on, please, please, Tony, please, Tony. You're breaking my heart here, Tony. So yeah, it's it's a trigger so you can run right through it, but it still won't do shit. What if we go public game, okay, game object player, and then go if game object equals player. This is going to be entirely wrong. No errors. There are no fucking errors. Okay. Okay, so there's something here. Set actor recursively false. Okay, we're cooking, we're cooking. We are we are cooking so far. The camera is now disabled. We are not cooking. Oh, it's because I forgot to put the fucking player here. Oh yeah, okay, yep, the camera's gone now. Oh, okay, there are two audio listeners apparently, and then there are two cameras. Cock. Destroy. Moves a game object, component, or asset. Yeah, this is all in fucking JavaScript, so I have to cobble my mindset together and say, okay, how do you translate that? Like, motherfucker, speak English! Yeah, you just see the fucking player hopping around in the middle of the fucking forest. What the? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where is he going? He's just running away! He's running away! Bye! Bye! He's just like, nope, I'm fed up with this shit. So it's just like, it's like a police cab. I feel like you'd see a sketch like this. It's like, let's just do something really funny, and we just get his speech. Just, where are we going? We don't need any barriers. Oh, oh, oh! He's falling out of existence. You know what? Let's go. Did the player just go down but the camera stay up? No. That is so fucking hilarious. But now I have to run all the way back. Can I change my own camera speed? Nope. This will be gaming in 2015. So, shit. Just silently trying to be like, hmm, yes, it's completely fucking broken. Fuck. There is no goal that actually fucking works. The problem probably is like it's on canvas. It's probably not. It doesn't like that. I'm thinking because canvas doesn't have. I'm a fucking idiot. I completely broke this because I wasn't bothered to just. No, instead of just yeah. All right. Let's just take this fucking sucks as well. Along it with it, and then we go public game object player. Public game object goal cam. There we go. Okay, so now we can go to the goal, and we get colliders and we drag that over. Then we get the goal cam, and then we get the player. Slot them both in. And now it works. Okay. So now what? Because looking is completely broken now. I have to go in and fix the looking on the player. Could I just delete the prefab and then drag it back on in? Nope, I completely broke it. I think I could new project it. Here we are, Mr. Evil Overlord. So FPS Walker is something. Yeah, let's just take all the scripts. Then we'll reopen Weird Game. Hey, there we go. The player, we apply him there. And then we got it! So we've got a really simple objective and a really simple game. Now we need to just make the terrain a little bit better. Put some water around here. Let's put some water. Yeah, nice little bowl of water. Because it's also just some. Whoa, what the fuck? What the fuck? We can actually explore this environment for like once. Actual meshed out trees that you can't actually like that have no collisions whatsoever fucking ever. Where's the pool? Where did I put the pool? It's right here. Look at that. Doesn't actually do shit, but you know, it looks lovely, doesn't it? And we've escaped the forest. So there's our game. Wah, 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 wah. I should have the Hitman music just play. It's like when you're done. Wah, da, da. And have it so this just plays a little cutscene, just the camera flying away. The map. That'd be fucking funny. Alright, so we are doing something. Congrats. So we have our game. So we certainly have something. What does terrain like look like when we do the like pixel lighting when we're actually in game? Does it look pretty fucking bad? No, it doesn't look any different. So it looks absolutely fucking terrible. Oh my lordy. Oh my. And there you go. We have something, and it actually looks pretty alright. Granted, the toon shader doesn't really help the player look something. It just looks something. I wonder how far you can port this over. Like, if you can just port this from what I'm using currently, can I actually, about Unity. Yeah, from Unity 2.5 from 2009. I wonder if you can just keep on porting this over and over and over and over and over and over to Unity 6. That would be fucking hilarious if you can. Okay, so now that we have something, I want to expand it a little bit more. And once we have it expanded a little bit better, doing that, like, huh? Draw. Oh, cool. You can just draw everything, so I can just do it like this. Neat. Quite revealing. It's so fascinating. Like, all this is so fascinating and bewildering beyond belief. Hey, terrain painting isn't too bad, though. It's really simple to the point, so I guess it's fair dinkum. And we'll just have... Oh, we could have a sandy surface. Okay. I know exactly where to put it. Oh my fucking god. I can't even render properly. Ah, it's so fucking boring, but also just like the best part of this, because like you don't actually have to suffer. Like you don't have to suffer for a little while. Oh wow, slow down. And yes, I do not know how grass works, so this is just going on top of everything except for the sand. You cannot touch the sand. It says find dirt, but I don't believe that. I think it is just sand. It's just a fucking army of trees. Where did these guys come from? Oh, I think I put too much shit in this map. Oh no, the player's just facing out because he's a little low now. I hope. Yeah. Lovely little pool of water we have right here. Burp, burp, burp. There we go. Oh, and we have escaped. Where did I end? I think, yeah, it just ended right there instead of all the way. Because I forgot. Let's make it seasonally right. Then you can just turn off drawing and just have a look. Really max graphics, no graphics. The lowest little low. Oh, shit. I have an idea for this. Alright. It's importing, so a really funky track if it doesn't crash. Here's hoping it doesn't, because I forgot to minimize everything that is weird and wonderful. It crashed. Yay! We crashed. We have hit the limit. Aw. The Hitman theme crashed last time, so it was like, yep. You can re-import the asset or rename it in File Manager to force re-importing it. Sounds like crack. Sounds like an LSD trip. Disappears. Uh, Al invalid value. It doesn't know what the fuck it needs to do, so it just panics and kills itself. Alright, let's get rid of the music. That's annoying. The game looks okay so far, though. Oops. Uh-oh. It's that fucking crammed with shit. It can't run. I wouldn't mind doing this again, but some like fucking Unity 3. Because 2's just what the fuck kind of levels of tomfuckery. There we go. Yeah, look at that. This looks like a 2000s game you play on a CRT. Oh Christ. You just turn for a second and it just shits out. Whoa, whoa, okay. Now it just looks like a generic fucking 2000s game. How's it look on the ground? It actually looks pretty okay. Not the best, but not the worst. It needs to be closer. That's a little too close. That's Silent Hill. Like that, we can just turn the detail distance down a little bit. And now I also gotta do the fucking objective icon shit again, because I'm gonna have it all in 4:3. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? No, you can't. Maximize on play. Stats. Okay, you can run stats though. Oh, bye. Have a great time. Where's the camera? The camera ran off. The camera's on the terrain. So it's like running away. Where's the frame rate up here? Oh, we're getting 100 frames a second now. It's probably because I've just done some fucking optimization shit. You can see everything popping in over there. Now, if you really want to see something go absolutely fucking horribly wrong, you just set the detail distance up and then the tree distance up, and you watch the frames disappear. Houdini! 20 fucking frames! There's a million vertices! There's only like 20k. You got 1 million vertices. Can't even fucking see any of it. Right. Seeing as what we've got now is alright, I want to do some 3D modeling. In semi-modern Blender, not the exact newest version. Oh Christ. And I'm going to make a little bit of a car. Yeah, just a really terrible car to go with this really terrible game. Right. The shipmobile! Da-da-da-da! Come over here. meshes. Shishmobile. Shishmobile. Right, we have it. Where is the shitmobile? Where is he? Where is he? Where is Omni-Man? Shitmobile, no name. Component, physics, mesh collider, yes, because it's no longer needed to be convex in order to fucking what? Because they deprecated convex in 5 at some point, so let's just get objective and just make it twice over, and then we're just... There we go. Press E to leave. I hate consistently doing this, but I have to go over here and make another script based on this collider. Wait. Wait, no, I could rework this. Oh, no, I can't. By the way, I hate this fucking Comic Sans font. Why? What? Who hurt you? I want to know who hurt you to make you use that fucking font. Who hurt the man who had decided, okay, let's use the fucking font. So I always turn on monospace because monospace is just. Now we need to bring colliders back up because I need the on trigger enter and I can't be fucking bothered to redo it. Alright, let me just get some more sounds because I want to play sounds in this. Alright, I got the Dubai music. Because I thought that'd be really funny. It's a little bored because it's my computer and it's a lump of shit. About there, and then we just fade from here and we go effect fading, fade out. Effects fading, fade in. Effect fade, crossfade. Okay. And we'll up the pitch. Because it's really funny, I like power pitch shit. Sounds like Batman now. Granted, every fucking, like, the new Hitman, it just sounds Batman-y. Then we come over here, and it'll just... Fail to import Unity doesn't support WAV files with more than 16 bits per sample. Motherfucker. Right, fantastic. We have the audio, we have the game, we have something on the road. Alright, so now I need to figure out how do we do input? Input manager. Okay, they have the ye old input manager. That's lovely. Oh god, they even have joystick support. That's lovely. I am not doing that again. Right, exits. Documentation. And close those now. Input! Input. Because I know the player is, the player, it's a little lovely, this situation, where it's fucking JavaScript. So, I don't know how we do pressing keys here. Is it the same as, you know, if input get key down, key code, oh my god, key code dot E, and then we do another check if, actually no, we don't even need to do that, and is near car equals true. Oh, you got there. And then if it's true, then you go false. And then destroy. player. Mission exit dot play. Shit. Cleaning up leaked objects since no game object component or manager is referencing them. Rendered texture has been leaked 1 time. I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. So now it knows if we're in range, like if it's in something's in range and it's us, then it opens up the option, and once it sees that the option's been pressed, it destroys the player and it plays the music. So it's on the shipmobile, isn't it? No, it's not on the shipmobile quite yet. So now I need to figure out how to do animation. Why is it doing like Five Nights at Freddy's 3 kind of fucking thing there? It's just going. Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier. It'd be funny that like once you've done it just quits. Yes, let's do that. So now I need to figure out how to do camera cutscenes, because we can't just have this camera just do that and that's it. How do we animate? How do we animate? Animation blending is an essential feature that characters have smooth animations. Animators create separate animations. Do not care. Anytime in the game you need a transition, don't need that. I just need to figure out, like, how the fuck do I actually make an animation? Do I have to go in and do it in, like, do I do it before pulling it in? Or do I not? So all animation, they can only contain one property. Alright, so we need to go to the shipmobile and just make it drive away. Don't think it even fucking worked. I'm trying to figure out, like, how we would go with, like, just driving it, I guess. And then how about this? Quit. I just have to Google this. Scripting API. Let's make this just easier on ourselves and let's just cheat. 500. Alright, let's go. Whee! Oh shit. Where's the car? Ah! Is it over here? Oh, I saw something over here. I have to go all the way around. You know. There it is. Obnoxiously big. Oh, I forgot to put a trigger on it. Shit. His trigger, yes. Right, boy. Lie. Oh. Whoa, shit. Oh, that's the car. The variable goal cam of objectives has not been assigned. No, I don't want to keep on fucking doing that. Sure, and then we go. What the fuck? What the fuck? Monster jumps. What the fuck? No, that's about it. I am not fucking working on this anymore. Jesus Christ. I've been working on this for hours now. So, on the like third day or something or other, trying to cobble this shit together, I found out why it wasn't working. I didn't put this in update. So now, in theory, now that we got the things working, I can actually, fly on over. Whee! Enter, exit, enter, exit. It's alive! It's actually working, so yeah, it's all working finally.
You would expect now that we would just end it there. We have a game, it's barely functioning, but it's there. But let's try something. I have many questions about how this would run theoretically in a newer version of Unity. See, Unity 6 launched late last year, roughly 15 years after this version. Could we port this over to Unity 6 and continue working on it from there? Let's find out.
So it turns out you fucking can! I've got Unity 2 on here, and the license is activated. It's right there. So we can just run down to Unity version 2.50F5. Can I start? Oh my good grief. Oh my good grief. You can project. And then we boot this shit up. Unity 6. Another version used to create a project cannot be detected. To open it, select the editor's version or install one below. Change to Unity 6. Since, like, the initial release. Holy shit. Oh my god, there's a lot of obsolete warnings. Mesh does not contain. Oh my no. Uh, it's panicking. It's honestly just panicking. I think I'm just gonna have to get rid of the combine utility. Just altogether. Oh no. Reload. Toon shading. They no longer work. How did they look at the demo? Oh my good grief. How does it look in the scene? It's so tiny. It doesn't even exist. It doesn't even fucking. What is that fucking. What is that? Oh my god, it's the map that I made. It's the texture map. Oh my god, it works. Okay. Oh my fucking god. Alright. Now we're here. Let's create material for the terrain. Use that as the albedo. And oh, you can't. Then what the fuck am I meant to do? Wait. Oh yeah. Fresh. Edit trees. Add tree. Palm. Add. And then now we also need to grass. So I have to practically redo all of this. Oh wait, no. I can. There we go. Oh my god, it looks like a bomb went off. Like it looks like some fucking Fallout 4 kind of nuke just went off. 513. What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with the height map resolution? Why is it 513 instead of 512? What the fuck? Nah, what is that? Is it playable? Like, can I just start waltzing around? Or are we still, like, completely cuck-blocked? You can't even move. Oh, it's because the script is gone because it's JavaScript. Yeah, for some reason it's fucking JavaScript. They completely deprecated it! They deprecated it! No fucking way! JavaScript. Please just. Oh my god. It's not possible. It's just not possible because the script what the script requires is a full fucking reset. So no. This is no fucking shot in hell possible because there is just nothing here to help it.
So no, we actually can't. Unfortunately, the JavaScript, of all things, stops us from actually playing. Forget the grass and the trees for a second. The actual gameplay was evaporating to port over. Alas, no. You can't actually put it over to Unity 6 directly. There's likely plenty of routes and loopholes that you could go through just to get the JavaScript, shaders, and graphics to stay and work. Then again, that would take up more time than what it's worth. from going version to version to version to version, to the point it's just not worth it anymore. This was a joke idea, nothing more and nothing less. Tune in next week or whenever the fuck I choose to upload again for something or other. Anyways, now I need to push up my chair. Ow.